Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you patchwork handbag ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, patchwork handbags. Friends, today I will share some beautiful patchwork handbags ideas. Patchwork is a lovely craft. In patchwork, we join small pieces of fabric to make a new designs. Or fabric piece can become something new and useful. Patchwork handbags are very colorful and unique. Every bag look different and special. First idea is a square patchwork handbag. Cut small square piece of fabric in different color. Sew the square together in row. New stitch all the row and make one big fabric piece. Use this fabric to make a stylish handbag. Second idea is a patchwork bags. You can use or jeans for patchwork. Purchase cut small pieces from different jeans, join them together and make a strong handbag. Denim patchwork are perfect for daily use. This third idea is a flower patchwork handbag. Use fabric with flowers, print, mix lights and bright color. These bags look beautiful from spring and summer. And friends, and weavers. Another lovely idea is a patchwork bags. Our bag is big and very useful. You can use it for shopping, books, or everything. Friends, and weavers. I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more.